Hello, my super friends. Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl, Francisca the Super Mom. So, guys, today I will be preparing onions rice, precisely red onions rice. So, these are the ingredients I will be using for today's recipe. Ciao amici, oggi vorrei cucinare un risotto alla cipolle, che è buonissimo, è buonissimo. Quindi guardatemi come lo preparo. Quindi abbiamo il formaggio, that is cheese, and this is rice. Italian rice risotto. Yes, this recipe is going to be creamy. So we have butter, che burro, questo è burro. Sì. So we have also cipolla bianco, that is sliced white onions, and we have hot dog Worcester, sliced Worcester. Yes, you can use any quantity of your choice. I'm making a plenty rice, that is why mine is big like this. So we have aglio, that is garlic, sliced garlic, and then we have curry, pepper, and no cube, that is peperoncino curry e dado. Abbiamo anche cipolla rossa fruttata, which is blended red onions, and we have also olive oil, that is olio di olive. Allora cominciamo a cucinare. So let's start cooking. Yes, I hope you like this recipe. It's so nice, so delicious. I like it so much and I hope you will like it. Yes. So my pot is ready as usual. Quindi cominciamo con la cipolla. So we're starting with the onions. Onions is frying already. So the next thing we're going to add now is garlic and aglio. Quindi mettiamo aglio e dopo and later we'll add Worcester. Mettiamo Worcester. E poi mettiamo peperoncino, dado e curry. I just added no cube, pepper and curry. So now you can also add salt to taste. Then you stir it very well. Stir it very well. Then you leave it to fry for some minutes. Yes, as you can see, the color has changed. It has fried. If you want it more fried, you can still go ahead. Now it's time to add the onions, blended onions. Quindi mettiamo le cipolle. Now we're going to turn it. Le giriamo bene. So now we're going to leave it to steam for some minutes. So we'll cover it now and leave it to cook for some minutes. Okay, you see. Now we're going to add rice. Quindi mettiamo risotto. Then we'll turn it very well. You stir it very well. Le giriamo bene. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that the rice has been washed. I washed it before, so it's okay, it's neat. Quindi ho dimenticato di dire che ho già lavato prima il riso, quindi va bene così. So now we're going to cover it to steam or cook for some minutes again. Yes, so now as you can see, the color is coming out. So we have to add water. You add water bit by bit, please. As you can see, I'm adding only 1 cup now, and then I will allow it to cook for some minutes again. Then I'll come back to check again. Quindi mettiamo l'acqua piano piano. Se vuoi mettere l'acqua, metti piano piano. Quindi adesso mettiamo il burro. So now we are adding butter. Then you stir it, you turn it very well. Allow it to dissolve, to melt. Oh my god, this recipe is something else. Please try it. Just try this at home. You will come back to thank me. You'll come back to thank me. This is yummy. The aroma is something else. Oh my god. So now we are going to cover it and leave it to cook again for some minutes. Yes. So then we'll come back to check. Oh my God, can you see? Then you check whether the rice is soft the way you want. If not, you add another water. So I'm adding another cup of water. Yes, because the rice is still strong. It's still strong. So I added another water. Se vedi che il riso è ancora duro, allora puoi mettere un bicchiere di acqua come ho fatto io perché è ancora duro. Adesso lasciamo per cuocere per qualche minuto ancora. Wow, can you see that? Oh my God. Wow. Wow. So I'm adding another water again because it's still strong. So I'm adding another water. Quindi ho messo un altro bicchiere di acqua perché è ancora dura. So I'm going to allow it to cook for the last time. Then I'll come back to check. Wow, can you see that? So I'm adding cheese, that is formaggio, metto formaggio. Then you turn it very well, leggera bene. Oh guys, can you see this? Oh, this is yummy. È buonissimo. This is so delicious. So delicious. Please, I will urge you to try this at home. You're going to like it. This is so nice. It tastes nice. So guys, we have come to the end of today's recipe. Hope you learned something new. So thank you so much for watching me to this point. I say may God richly bless you. Please, if you have not subscribed, hello, please consider subscribing, okay? And see you in our next one. Thank you so much and remain blessed. Ciao, ciao, ciao.